Hello, Clear Brown, North Dallas. Another 2024 GX550 OverTrail Plus. This one we did a full wrap, but we added the black hood, and we're going to make a change to it after we get a hold of the owner to add. He just wanted the hood to match the black top. That's an option for this, but I think it's going to be best if we bring some black, wrap it into these two pieces, and then hit this right here, leave this gray. So we're going to continue that black into here. It just kind of breaks off, but it's a great idea with the black hood, with all this black, just to bring it from the top all the way down. I think that's going to make it look just right. We just need to add those two pieces. Let us know what you think. I'll get that video up once we add it. This is our second one. We're lucky enough to be picked for these. These are your pre-production or first production. Not very many in the Metroplex here in Dallas. But just like the last one, everything's fully wrapped in Xpel Ultimate Plus. This is the black Ultimate Plus. All our edges are getting wrapped in the black, fully wrapped. We would never leave it so you can see the atomic silver. Atomic silver's under this, just like this. The only option for this is that black roof that's painted, and we PPF'd this whole thing. All this is wrapped in. So pretty sure that I'll get the owner to cooperate with making this gloss black and then this section here, so it continues up, and I think that'll be a nice classy look to continue it. Didn't think about that, but now that it's on, it makes sense. So doors are wrapped, all the black is wrapped, even these B-pillars, all this is in gloss. We don't want to get carried away and start bringing black all the way around, but everything looks really good. GX letters are back on this one. I tell them to debadge it. There's no sense in having that. Everybody's going to know what this is. Much more of the same on the other side. All our edges are wrapped. These door moldings, they come off. You can see they just pop right off after you roll the windows down. And we go all the way underneath them, so there's no lines. No lines anywhere. Mirrors, we're able to get under there without removing them. This cap actually pops off anyway. And then we wrap in here, wrap in here. This is our fender, this is our door. These pop off, no problem. They're just clips that pop out. And we wrap all the way under. These are black matte plastic, rough. No sense in wrapping those. We ceramic coat those so that the calcium or the minerals in the dirt when you're driving, mud, road debris, doesn't make these turn a grayish color. That's about it. Headlights, bumper, everything's done. This piece down here is done in stealth or mattes. And I'll shoot another video here later. Once I get approval, we'll get this added, and this will take me like 15 minutes. And we'll wrap all that in here, and I'll just go right over the clear. This has got clear PPF on it, and I'll wrap it in and take this guy off again and wrap underneath. This comes off. It's just a windshield trim, fully wrapped, just like, or tinted like the last one. 15 limo XR Plus, highest heat rejection available on the market, 98% IR, 99% UV A and B related to skin cancer. So there it is, OverTrail Plus. I guess that's the ticket with the 33s, fully optioned out. Great vehicle, new vehicle line, supersedes the GX460. So I'll get you here a little bit later. I'll post another video on the update for those two little pieces, and I'm sure that's what I'll do. Have a great day. ClearBrownNorthDallas.com, Clear Brown North Dallas in Argyle, 214-414-3809. I'm Brent, and cell 940-703-8301. Please leave a message or a text. If I don't answer, we stay pretty busy, and I can't get to the phone all the time as I do the installations. I've been doing it over 30 years, and then I'll promise I'll get back to you. If you don't leave a message, I don't know how I'll get back to you. So take care, and have a great day.